Psalm 41 verse 1. Blessed is the one who considers the poor. In the day of trouble the Lord delivers him. Psalm 72 verse 12. For he delivers the needy when he calls, the poor and him who has no helper. Proverbs 14 verse 21. Whoever despises his neighbor is a sinner, but blessed is he who is generous to the poor.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Christella, your favorite realtor and insurance broker. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends to support the algorithm and stay updated with more content like this. Alright, so without further ado, come with me to downtown Orlando on this gorgeous Sunday. We're out here with family and friends, giving back to our community. Today, we're feeding the homeless, sharing smiles, and spreading kindness. This amazing event is brought to you by exclusive Coach Line and MIC Collection. Thanks to them, we're able to come together and make a real difference. So, let's go spread some love. If you want to get involved, your donation can truly make an impact. Here's how. You can buy a super thanks. It's a great way to support my channel and the important work we're doing. So, please keep watching, and let's keep spreading kindness, one day at a time.
Welcome to Mercedes Airlines.
Have you or someone you know been denied life insurance? Don't worry. At Sincere Financial, we specialize in helping thousands secure the best insurance coverage, no matter their health issues. If you're 85 years old or younger, we can help you find the right plan. Call us today and get the coverage you deserve.
Chicken. I'm sorry, I just left for a second, you guys. Now, before you know it, we ended up getting an incomplete platters. They have some chickens, some, veggies, as you guys can see back here.
Okay, so
we don't need to open, so everything gonna have the same thing inside of them. Isaiah, you can come up, no worries. Okay, so that's good, like that. As you guys see, those are the sample, you guys. So that's what every plate going to look like. Ta-da! Oh, you have to
Bawa yun.
Lagi ako.
Ven lagi ako.
We're gonna go and come back again, okay? You guys gonna be here? Okay, we're gonna come back. 30 minutes. We went around. We running out, but we're coming right back. Hi.
And guess what, you guys? We had to head back to the house because we ran out of food halfway through. So, we ended up cooking more and bringing an additional 50 plates. So in total, we served around 110 plates.
This time they're gonna eat really good. We got some more. Then guess what? More chicken. So them people are gonna be eating good today. So I'm super excited. And now I learned my lesson. Now we need to make at least 200 plates. All we had today was about 50 plates. It wasn't enough. So we're gonna do more next time. But for now, we just came back to do another 50, at least 75 more plates. What you think?
Good.
Looks good? We bring the food.
Just make a line for me, please.
We said we're coming back. We come back. But it takes an hour and a half to make it. I've never been here, so let me take the picture of it so I know when I'm coming back. Right.
Thank you, man. God bless you.
Okay, where's the brother? Can you come by? Because we want to make sure everyone gets some. Okay.
Yeah, please. Just make sure you get it, okay?
Make sure you get it, okay? I want everyone to have something.
All right, no problem.
Okay, guys.
Sounds good.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Let me film. Isaiah, stay right there. So you guys, next time we're gonna try and to kind of figure how many people that usually here. How many of you guys? You don't have a good one. Oh, God bless you too.